If you've ever dreamed of living in a golf community with majestic sweeping mountain views, look no further than Superstition Mountain. Hi, I'm Elaine Boylin with Elpis Real Estate Boutique, and I'm here to introduce you to your new home. Imagine spending most of your time on the golf, pickleball, or tennis courts, where your maximum stress level is tied to your golf score. This is the life at 7998 East Greythorn Drive. Enter through the courtyard to reveal a beautiful lock-and-leave villa with an open floor plan, high ceilings that let in plenty of natural light, and majestic views out to the golf course. Should you choose to cook, you'll love the chef's-inspired kitchen with professional-grade Viking stainless steel appliances and beautiful quartz countertops and backsplash. It's the perfect place for gatherings or food preparation. Across from the kitchen is a massive family room with beautiful fireplace and 18-foot beam ceilings. At the end of the night, you won't have to travel far to get to your owner's suite, which is large and open with windows that perfectly frame the Superstition Mountains. What's that? The doorbell? Friends have arrived for the barbecue that will ensue. Your hardest decision will be to sit under the covered patio or in the 12-person spa. A great time was had by all, and if only you had an extra room for them to stay. Oh, but you do. The one-bedroom, one-bath detached casita is perfect for overnight company. It even has its own microwave and mini fridge. Offering 4 bedrooms, an office, 4 bathrooms, and 3,300 square feet. This villa is move-in ready. The only thing that's missing is you. So call me, Elaine Boylin, 480-536-9907.